The Escape model also has this really cool fire screen option here. So as you can see, my kindling fire took off nice. I just want to show you guys this. So there's tabs on the top and tabs on the bottom. And you literally just stick it on the front like this. Push down to get the upper tabs under the lowest thing. And then you have this nice fire screen. Let's see, so SBI is one of the few companies that still has EPA 2020 approved stoves that still offer a fire screen option. For whatever reason, with like that last round of EPA testing, a lot of companies remove the fire screen option. So if you guys are looking for a wood burning stove that has a fire screen option like this, then this Escape model is a great option. You can see and probably hear how loud this is crackling. So it kind of gives you a really nice, cool effect, especially if you like the sounds of campfires or just having kind of that exposed open burn. For the purposes of this, I don't want to leave this burning open and hot because again, I'm working on my first burn. So I'm just gonna take this off and gonna close this up. Yeah, so just like that quickly removing the screen like that, I already had a chunk fly out. So that is why that fire screen is so important to have if you were going to have a unit and burn it with the door open. Here we have the stove with the fire screen burning. This is just a nice little bed of coals. You can hear the fire crackling. What else I like about this door is how wide it opens. Pulls all the way back, which is nice with this fire screen because you don't want to close your door into the handle. Something like that, especially if the glass was hot, could shatter your glass, so just keep that in mind. If you appreciate our content, please don't forget to just give me a quick little thumbs up when you subscribe to my channel. That helps me out so much. Share it with a friend. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all your comments. God bless. Have a wonderful day.